Hey folks, welcome to my channel Number Pen. So we have the problem on our screen. H of x equals mod of x minus 2 divided by mod of x plus 1, right? So this is a mod function. And if you've not uh, taken a look at my other video where we have discussed uh, how do we go about establishing the continuity of a mod function mod of x plus a, where a is a constant, can be positive or a negative real number. I'll put a link to that particular video in the description, and I would request you to take a look at it for you to understand why mod function is always a continuous function, right? So by that we know that mod of x minus 2, I'm going to call this as f of x. So if I call my f of x mod of x minus 2 and my g of x as mod of x plus 1, right? So my h of x is nothing but my f by g, right? So I know that my f of x is continuous at x belonging to r, and so is my g of x, right? Then when I express my h of x equals f by g, which is f divided by g, what do I get? Do I have a point where my h of x becomes undefined, right? And the answer is yes, right? Because I have x plus 1, the mod of that in the denominator, and it is undefined. It's straightforward at x equals minus 1, because at x equals minus 1 you have 0 in the denominator and h of x does not take a finite value. So we'll have to eliminate that. And do we see any other critical point or exceptions? The answer is no, right? So even if you assume x takes a small value which is greater than minus 1, I don't think we will have a challenge. And even if x takes a value which is slightly lesser than minus 1, we don't have a challenge, right? And when x takes a value 2, our denominator still is at mod of 3, which is mod of x plus 1, which is 3. But our numerator is mod of x minus 2, which is 2 minus 2, which is 0. So it is still a finite number. So we know that our critical point is x equals minus 1 because the function becomes undefined. But otherwise, when you look at f and g individually, both of them are continuous functions for all x belonging to R. So therefore, the way to write our final answer or to express our final answer is continuous at x belonging to R, except that one point where I'm going to open my flower bracket and bracket minus 1 into that. And that's our final answer. That's how we express our answer. So I hope you found this video useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you.